Hey everybody, James W. Falcon here with yet another installment in my series, Defining Moments. Last time we met, I invited you to make some notes. What I want you to do for this time and the next several segments is I want you to think about the notes that you took as if they were instructions of some sort that you're going to mail, you're going to deliver to a person who is in need of those instructions. Now, I know what you're thinking. Well, I'm not a good speaker. I don't know. This event was much too traumatic, too personal, too private. I'm not sure if I want to send that. And yeah, I get it. But for this, go along with me with this exercise because this is going to be incredibly beneficial for you in the next few days. So think about your notes that you took. You're going to mail them. You're going to send them to someone. Envision this. Who is the person or group of people that would best be served by receiving those notes? I want you to think about that. Go through a thought process. Again, jot yourself down some notes and join me for segment number 4 of Defining Moments. This has been James W. Falcon. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for visiting me on this YouTube channel. And most of all, whatever you do, be sure to be, and stay encouraged and enjoy the remainder of your day. Take care.